Here's a quick one today for the Mac users out there. If you want to connect to a NAS on your desktop, you can go to the Go menu and connect to server. Notice that the keyboard shortcut for this is Command K. Opens up the connect to server. You enter SMB colon and 2 slashes and the IP address of your server. In this case, mine is 172.16.74.141. You click connect. It will prompt you for a username and a password. Click connect. Select the network share you wish to connect to. We're going to use test for this demonstration. And it in fact shows you over here the test share and the folders that are available inside it. It also shows in the Finder window in the left panel the address of the NAS that you are connected to. If you click on that, you can in fact mount the other shares provided your user has access to them. Now, what if you want to take this a step further? What if you want to have this network share mounted automatically every time you log into your Mac? If we come over here to System Settings, under General, and then Login Items and Extensions, and you take your network share that's mounted and shown on the desktop, and you drag that sucker over here, and it will automatically mount that the next time you log into your Mac. It is my understanding that macOS 26 may have an issue with doing this. In that case, you've got to seek out an alternative method. There are workarounds, but they are not for the faint of heart. They do require editing command line files and getting that set up, or there is a utility out there that will let you do this, and you can find the name of that utility in a forum post with a quick Google search. So hopefully this fills in some gaps that may have existed in a previous video, and this will be helpful for those Mac users who might be new to connecting to a network attached storage device, whether that's Synology, QNAP, Open Media Vault, TrueNAS, or even just a Windows share. If you're using the SMB protocol, this is the procedure you would go through. As always, you can find more information with a quick Google search, such as how do I connect to a NAS from macOS? And it will give you step-by-step instructions if this video is somehow not sufficient. Until next time, have a great day.